Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to get to business. Okay, it's a new year and honestly it's time to really boss up. Today's video is sponsored by Alibaba.com. They are the world's most biggest international marketplace. Over here on the website you can find anything you want. Okay, whether you have a hair brand, you have a clothing line, whether you have, you sell electronics, machinery, they have a whole bunch of categories you can choose from. But also filter out your options. Basically, you can just say, okay, a minimum of 12 products, or you want no minimum. You want to shop for no minimum. You can do that as well. And also have a set budget. You can set, oh, I don't want to spend no more than $200, or you can put the minimum price. I don't want it to be cheaper than $50, so you can do that as well. And also what I love is you can put the desired country. Okay, so they have many countries you can choose from. If a vendor, you can choose the United States, China, other countries as well. So convenient, y'all. Like, it literally filters down to exactly what you want. And honestly, if you live in the United States and you want a United States vendor, for faster shipping or whatever, they have that. For shipping and processing time is all included on the website. Okay, so many vendors will have a processing time. Also choose your shipping options at checkout as well. And most of the times when I order from Alibaba.com, they deliver before the expected date. I have some products from Alibaba.com and I cannot wait to show y'all. I have 3 pairs of shades. One of them came in this cute box. And y'all, Alibaba.com has options for custom packaging as well. And if you want your shades to go in some cute boxes like this, they also have many styles. And this is really cute if you put your brand logo on it. We're gonna try on the first pair of shades. As you can see, they come packaged very well. It has, the protection on it, so your shades won't be damaged or anything. Let's see which one these are. Ooh, so these right here is, ooh, these are cute. You guys can't really see it because the ring light, but I love these. They're clear and it is really cute. These shades are really cute. And they are high quality, very high quality. They look expensive. I really like these. If this is something you would like for your business, I will definitely check these out, okay? These are the shorter frames. So this is how it look. Next we have another pair right here. These are a different style. And these are in a color clear. Different. I never saw these. Ooh, girl, this is so cute, y'all. I'm posing like this so the ring light won't get in reflection, but can we get into this? This is cute. This is high fashion. This is everything. I love this. Cute. Here they are. The pair of frames, they are like the first pair of frames that I tried on, but things are smaller. And this is how it looks. Cute. Really love the detail. Like, look at the detail. This very cute design. It looks so nice. Great quality. As you guys can see, these shades are the 3 pair of shades and they are great. Okay, how they look, very high quality, and they're not heavy on your face. They're comfortable and I would definitely recommend it. And check out these shades in a link down in the description below and get them in many colors as well. I'll show you guys an example of a product, how their quality really speaks for itself. And you purchase from a seller, you can mention me to get a discount off of your purchase. Yes, so if you mention me, Annadoll, for a coupon. Alibaba.com has verified suppliers, y'all. They are verified by independent third-party institutions. So you can see the difference between gold suppliers and verified suppliers, okay? I love to know everything about my vendor when I'm purchasing. And verified suppliers supply more information. You can see when they started their company, you can see reviews, you can see how long they were in business, see their quality control capability, after sales service capabilities, so much more. This is just an example of a verified supplier on Alibaba.com, on time guarantee delivery. Okay, remember y'all, all your orders are protected. Okay, this supplier, their guaranteed delivery is by March 3rd of the 16th, and also, as I said, it will be quicker shipping options as well, and sometimes it might come before that. You never know. You can see how much transactions the supplier has made as well. It will say like over 80,000 transactions, over 5,000 transactions, you know, so you can really feel secure on, you know, purchasing from the supplier. Have the option for on-time delivery rate. I love this option. Who ships the fastest. Suppliers do have 99% on-time delivery rates as well. Show the response time the supplier will get back to you. Countries, it depends, you know, how fast the supplier can get back to you. And yeah, those are good things to look out as well. What you have to do, y'all, you can go on Alibaba.com and, you know, register and make an account. Go download the app because it is so much easier. Okay, it's someone. Let's go and download the app and let's browse, honey. Okay, I feel like this year is the year to really get in your bag and go all for it. Go all for it. Okay, research, dibble and dabble in it, y'all. Very popular. Purchase from Alibaba.com for a while now, and their quality is amazing. Once you find a good vendor, you know, a vendor that sticks with you, and also be open to do more research. Let's boss up and really, you know, rebrand as much as you want to. You know, try different products. I do it all the time. I'm always rebranding my business. I'm always trying new things. Okay, it's always good to rebrand and glow up. You don't have to be perfect the first time around. Alibaba.com is a great marketplace for that. I'm always trying new vendors. I'm always researching, you know, what's good. Also, I seen the vending machine business is really trending now. People are looking to start having vending machines, and let me tell you, Alibaba.com sells them. Okay, they have vending machines. They have food trucks. They are literally the marketplace for everything. Okay, y'all. So that is so crazy. Make sure you guys look into that. Listen, you don't always have to stick to one thing. As an entrepreneur, if you just have a hair brand, always dibble and dabble into something else, because you never know where life may take you, and you never know what your secret skill is, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to ask them down below. And yeah, let me know how let me know your thoughts on Alibaba.com. Love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next video.